This is the way we brush his fur. Soft and gentle, make it purr. Morning light and evening too. Keeps him clean and looking new. This is the way we feed our pup. On the floor he laps it up. Crunchy treats and water clear. Healthy meals bring tail-wag cheer. This is the way we take a walk. The leash in hand we chat and talk. Step by step we roam and play, exploring sights along the way. This is the way we throw the ball. Jump and fetch, he loves it all. Up he leaps with joy so high, catching it beneath the sky. This is the way we wash his paws. Splash and scrub with soapy claws. Rinse them clean and pat them dry. Happy pup with a sparkle eye. This is the way we cuddle tight. Snuggle close in the soft moonlight. Hugs and kisses, love